Well, I'm part of John's Manville. We're a big international manufacturer of, in relation to this industry, glass reinforcements for polymer composites. So as an extension of that, we're starting to look at making some composite materials. So there are some here, glass reinforced polyethylene-based polymer. There's really nothing special about any of these materials or the properties. These are about 30% glass. We can go higher if we need to. We know the mechanical properties, they're kind of in line with other composites. Nothing special about the properties. What makes them different is that everything in here is waste or landfill. If these weren't composites in my hand, these materials would be landfill. So we're taking waste glass, post-industrial, waste polymer, also post-industrial, so it's a pretty consistent composition, and turning them into composite materials. So essentially, we know there's growth in the thermoplastics industry because of recycling, but we don't see many or any fully recycled materials. So it's not just recycled, it's landfill avoidance. And that's what we're doing with these polymers, or these composites. This one was we're developing this in Germany and North America. The white one's made in Germany with German waste glass, German waste polymer. The gray one's made in North America, North American glass, North American waste polymer. So those are polyethylene-based. We are also looking at polypropylene-based. So this sheet here is made with waste glass, chopped glass, and waste polypropylene streams. These are made by lamination. This is made by compound extrusion and then molding to make the composite. Standard polymer processing techniques. These are made by lamination, non-woven glass mats, multi-layers, laminated with layers, thin films of extruded polymer. This one, I think, is about 10 layers. This one's probably about 20 layers. It's a 2mm product. But these are made on steel belt presses. So standard polymer processing techniques to make the products. And I think I mentioned before, this one, yes, extrusion compounding, twin extrusion of the fibers in a polypropylene matrix, and then molding or injection molding to make the sheets. So again, the processing, they're just regular composite materials using regular processing techniques. The only difference is, yes, if this wasn't a composite, it would be buried in the ground as landfill.